Oh, wait! Before you take another bite of your favorite food, did you know that certain foods can either save your kidneys or silently destroy them? If you already have kidney damage, what you eat can make the difference between getting worse or actually improving your health. Stay with me until the end, because I'm going to reveal the top superfoods, backed by science, that can help your kidneys heal, and some surprising foods you must avoid. Let's start by understanding why your kidneys need special care. The number one cause of kidney damage is diabetes, which means high blood sugar. That means sugar and refined starches are your kidney's worst enemy. If you want to protect your kidneys, say goodbye to boxed foods, canned foods, and ultra-processed junk loaded with seed oils like corn, soy, canola, and cottonseed. They may be convenient, but they're destroying your kidneys little by little. So what about protein? Too much protein can be toxic to damaged kidneys. Let's talk about the best sources. Focus on moderate amounts of protein, not too high, not too low. Stick to fish like cod and sea bass, which are lower in phosphorus. Sardines and salmon can also be great because they're rich in selenium, but eat them less often because of their phosphorus content. Avoid high phosphorus foods like liver, egg yolks, and nuts. They put too much pressure on your kidneys. Toxic foods to avoid. Let's clear this up. Some foods sound healthy, but can be toxic for weak kidneys. Avoid almonds, spinach, and chocolate. They're high in oxalates that can irritate your kidneys. Avoid black tea. Choose green tea instead. Skip foods high in lectins like potatoes, beans, grains, and eggplant. But don't worry, there are plenty of safe, delicious vegetables that your kidneys will love. Add these to your plate regularly. Asparagus, celery, lettuce, avocado, cucumber, garlic, cabbage, cauliflower, and mushrooms. They're low in toxins, balance your blood chemistry, and give you powerful antioxidants to protect your kidneys. Now let's talk about the true kidney superfoods. Spirulina. This algae reduces toxins, helps with anemia, and even reduces fluid retention. Fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and pickles, but only if they're raw and refrigerated, not the shelf-stable kind. Avocados, packed with healthy fats that nourish the kidneys and help absorb other nutrients. Extra virgin olive oil, anti-inflammatory and rich in vitamin E. Organic cottage, cheese and goat cheese, great for calcium without overloading your kidneys with phosphorus. Also, one nutrient you'll likely need to supplement is vitamin D. Your kidneys help activate it, so if they're damaged, your levels may drop low. Vitamin D can lead to weak bones, low immunity, and more kidney problems. Ask your doctor to check your levels. And here's a bonus tip. Avoid regular sea salt. It's 98% sodium and can be harsh on your kidneys. Instead, use Baja Gold Salt. It has only about 70% sodium and is rich in trace minerals that support kidney health. Remember, when it comes to kidney health, it's not about fancy supplements. It's about eating clean, whole foods that protect your body and reduce toxic load. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. And don't forget, drop a comment below, telling me which food surprised you the most. Are you surprised that nuts and spinach might be harmful for your kidneys? Comment below with the food that shocked you the most. I'm curious to see your answers. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.